In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install CyberPanel with WordPress on DigitalOcean. Whether you're building your first website or looking to streamline your hosting setup, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, head over to DigitalOcean.com. This is where you'll set up your hosting environment. Once you're there, look for the Create button, which you'll find in the top right corner. Click this, and from the drop-down menu, select Droplet. This is where the magic begins. Now, under the Choose an Image section, click on Marketplace. Here, DigitalOcean offers a wide variety of pre-configured applications ready for deployment. In the search bar, type CyberPanel and select the option labeled CyberPanel on Ubuntu. Next, it's time to decide on a pricing plan. For a smooth experience, I recommend selecting at least the basic $6 a month plan, but feel free to choose according to your needs and budget. After selecting your plan, it's important to choose a data center region that's closest to your primary audience to minimize latency and improve speed. For authentication, you'll need to decide between using an SSH key or a password. SSH keys are generally more secure, and you can find extensive guides on how to set them up if you're unsure. Once you've made your selections, click Create Droplet. The creation process may take a few minutes. Once it's complete, DigitalOcean will provide you with your Droplet's IP address. Be sure to copy this address. You'll need it for the next steps. Open your browser and go to your Droplet's IP address, but be sure to include the port 8090, so it should look something like https://yourdroplet.ip8090. You'll be greeted by the CyberPanel login page. To log in, use the username admin. For the password, check your email for a message from DigitalOcean, which contains the information you'll need. Upon logging in, navigate to the Websites section in the CyberPanel dashboard and select Create Website. Here, fill in your domain, email, and choose your PHP version. It's a really straightforward process. Make sure to check the box that says Install WordPress plus LS Cache. This will automate the installation of WordPress alongside CyberPanel, streamlining the entire setup for you. Once everything is filled out, click Create Website. After the setup, you'll want to go to your domain's WordPress admin page by navigating to https://yourdomain.com/wp/admin. This is where you'll manage your website, add content, and customize your theme. And there you have it. Your CyberPanel and WordPress site are all configured on DigitalOcean, ready for you to start building your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.